In the prior lesson, you learned how to make a single crochet. Today we will start with a row of 10 single crochets and make a row of half double crochets. To give the half double crochet height, chain 1 and turn. This beginning chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Wrap the working yarn around your hook. This is called a yarn over. Insert your hook in the same stitch as the turning chain 1. Pull up a loop of the working yarn. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook to complete the stitch. You have made your first half double crochet. Yarn over your hook and insert it into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Do this across the row. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over and draw through all 3 loops on your hook. Notice how the half double crochet is twice as tall as the single crochet. Remember to count your stitches. This is important to keep your work even. Remember to count your stitches. To begin a new row, chain 1 and turn. I start my rows differently. I chain only 1 and do not count it as a stitch. I then start my half double crochets in the same stitch as my turning chain 1. I find that by doing this it is easier to keep track of my stitches and keep from having holes in my work. It is also easier when you get to the end of the row because you are working in a stitch, not the top of a chain. If this does not make sense, don't worry, it will in time. Just continue to count those stitches.
When you share your dreams,
Now that you have learned to half double crochet, go to the next guided practice video, how to make a coffee coaster. You also should print out the pattern to follow along and learn how to follow the written and charted pattern.
more powerful,